Hola, howdy, hello. So, greetings, folks. This is Saranya Naranamurthy here to talk about the mind business. So, in this session of podcast, we are going to speak about visual movies or directing mental movies. Okay, so vision boards are one step ahead of how you set goals. Like, as you have created a vision board, we focused on how we can get closer to our dream by visualizing them in the form of pictures. If pictures can take you one step closer to your dream, I am sure mental movies can take you a lot more steps ahead. Okay, so now what is a mental movie? Take for example, your goal is to win a football tournament. And in this case, your vision board will have pictures of you smiling with a trophy or your team placing one goal after another. Okay, so but when you take the mental movie, you keep yourself in a position where you tend to completely visualize yourself since the start of the game as to how you prepare, how you dress up, and how every goal is posted. So this way, you keep a track of every move and the whole journey of you from practicing, participating, and winning the game is clearly documented, and you are now able to see it right on your head. So this visualization in the form of a story in your own head is known as directing mental movies. Okay, so why do we do this? The main reason for doing all of these activities are getting closer to your dream. Imagine if a pictorial imagery can take you 40% closer to your goal and keep you motivated, then a mental movie tends to take you 80% closer. Just think of yourself. If a particular goal is so important to you, then why not would you be giving some time of it every day to get yourself closer to those goals? You are naturally motivated to an extent that over and over again you feel you really need to give in mental rehearsals of winning the game. Now do you know how much you really love to do this? So yeah, definitely. So mental movies are naturally designed to keep you motivated and give you the taste of success before even you can have it for yourself. So here is one of the best practice to directing mental movies and how I do it. Find a calm place that is not being disturbed at all. Place yourself in a comfortable position, whether it is sitting erect or lying down or however you would like it to be. Then practice deep breathing exercises for 3 to 5 minutes until you feel completely in control. Now when your mind is clear, visualize yourself getting ready for the tournament. As in, from our example, as you are getting ready for your football tournament. And from there, slowly take the actions and visualize the entire game in front of you. So initially it will be a bit tough for you, but as days goes on, you will be able to visualize the minute details of the game, including the color of the things around you, the texture of the glass, and the applause of the audience. So this way, it will help you not just to dream, but also to build that confidence to yourself. So finally, on the day of your match, as you step into that ground, it will not be the first time you are going in, because in your mind, you have been there a lot of times. So in this case, I would suggest you to repeat this at least twice a day. That is, immediately as you wake up and right before going to bed. And this way, you will definitely see that you're getting immensely closer to what you are going to achieve. So do you think this is relatable? Okay, so next time as you set a goal, make sure you are directing mental movies for yourself and do let me know how you feel about it. So with this, I am signing off, and until next time, stay happy, stay safe, stay hustling, and keep listening to The Mind Business.